Hello, I am Riddhi Pawar. We have created web application for Saru Hospital, Nashik. We are extremely thankful for all the support and guidance provided by our guide, Mr. Sanop sir. This project is submitted by Riddhi Pawar, Neha Kothawde, Ashlesha Narkhede and Ritu Mahajan. In this project, we aim to solve the traditional issues of hospital management. The existing system provided paper-based solution for keeping OPD records of patients and hospital staff, but it gives overhead to doctor, receptionist and administrator. The main issues were inappropriate data keeping, time wastage in storage and retrieval, etc. Also, patients were unable to understand the prescription. These issues are solved by providing a separate user account for doctors and other staff, keeping each patient's data separate and track previous visits in a single click. This project uses MySQL as backend, and as it is developed in Java, it provides features such as platform independence, high performance, and security. It is a web application which mainly uses Spring MVC framework to provide MVC architecture and Hibernate framework as ORM tool. It provides some enhanced features such as an easy user interface as well as it provides PDF of prescription, thus reducing the need to manually write and sign by doctor. Let us see how this software works. Now let's log in. Whenever a account is created for staff or patient, by default the username is set to ID and password is set to its Aadhaar number. Now in this sign in page there are three roles: doctor, receptionist and administrator. Now let's first go to administrator. In this module, administrator can see his personal details and can edit it whenever needed. Administrator can add new employee by filling this form and submitting it. Existing employee can be searched by his name, ID, mobile number or Aadhaar number. Administrator can see all the current employees, their details and can edit and delete the employee. Now let us delete one employee, that is Dr. Arun Pawar. Let's log in as receptionist. In this module, here receptionist's personal details are available and it can be edited. He can edit or change his username and password. Whenever a new patient comes, receptionist will fill his data in this form. These forms are validated using JavaScript. Now, receptionist will assign a doctor which is currently available from this list. Now the patient is successfully added. Now let's add the patient in the OPD queue. These are patient's details and now we can edit it or add it to OPD. Now the patient can be seen in the OPD list. Whenever an existing patient comes, receptionist will search him by his name, ID, mobile number or Aadhaar number. Patient's details are shown and now we can edit the details or add the patient to OPD. Let's add him to OPD. Now the existing patient is also added to OPD successfully. If a patient is already added in OPD queue, he can't be re-added. Let's see. Now Ashlesha Narkhede is added in the OPD queue. Let's try to add her again. Let's add her to OPD queue. Now the error comes showing patient is already added in OPD queue. If an existing patient is assigned to a doctor who is not currently available, it will generate error. Let's try to add Siddhi Patil, who is assigned to Dr. Arun Pawar, which we have already deleted. This will show you error. Your assigned doctor is not available. Please choose another doctor and then try again. So we can edit the details and change the doctor assigned. We will see prescriptions option later. Now let's log in as doctor. In this module, here doctor can see his personal details and can edit it. In edit option, he can change username and password. In OPDQ option, all the patients that are assigned to this doctor are displayed. Doctor can view the patient or remove it from OPDQ. Here, general details of patient are displayed. In history option, if the patient has already visited the doctor, then that OPD history will be shown here. Here the observation and prescription are shown so that doctor can refer to them. Here under observations, doctor can note the symptoms and diagnosis. It is only for doctors. In prescription section, doctor can note the medicines, dosage, do's, don'ts which should be followed by the patient, investigations if any needed, then the next follow-up date and the fees. This copy of prescription will be sent to the receptionist. Now let's log in as receptionist. Here in the prescriptions option, we will see all the pending prescriptions. Let's print the prescription. Thank you.